Hello guys, and today our video is about drones. These small spies have already won the hearts of millions of people and smashed windows or something more than a dozen times. During their existence, quadrocopters amassed many enemies, such as towers, windows, aircraft, humans, dogs. In the first video, we see a man trying to save his drone, which costs $3,000. And this is not the only case. In the next video, Knockout Quadrocopter, which hit a passerby in the head. Drone Wedding's destroyer, which hid the head groom and bride on the way. This drone was the only one who was against their marriage. And actually, quadcopters very often hit people. Here is one more proof of why they adore. There are people who use the drones to shoot panoramas like these. A lovely member event, throw them in slippers, trying to get their mops, or just posing. Almost all of you played the game called Angry Birds. Very often, birds attack these expensive devices. After such attacks, drones usually crashed and should be repaired. In the latter case, strong sheep destroyed a drone at one blow. But the ram was not enough drone, and he decided to catch the owner in order to take revenge. It is worth noting that drones can record very beautiful landscapes in places where usual cameras can't do it. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel. Comment on this video. Bye.